Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable adaptive sound control for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application. And if you add your earbuds as application, you will see the same menu as I have. Right here you need to scroll down, and at the third line we have it. Tap on it, and right here at the top you need to click to enable it. You need to click at the slider at the top. If this slider have empty background, and we just enable it. Also, it asks about your location. I'm going to allow it while using the app. It's up to you, you can select something else. And we just enable it. So, to disable it, you need to also click at the slider at the top, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!